To add scheduled video on a Facebook page to playlist, take these steps. First, launch a web browser. Once the browser opens, visit business.facebook.com and log in with your credentials. You can see the web link here, business.facebook.com. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once you log in successfully, you will be on the home tab. Right? The next step is to click on content. Alright, this will display the videos or reels that are already published on your Facebook page. Then take a look at this tab here, click on scheduled. So this will list some videos that are yet to go public on your Facebook page. Alright, get to the video you want to add to a playlist that is existing already. For example, I want to add this to a playlist. So click on the three dots here. Click on Manage Posts. Then click on Edit Reel. So this will take you to the page you started when you were scheduling the video. So click on Next. On this second page, you will see the playlist section. Alright, click the drop down here and select a playlist of your choice. So here I want to add this video to Google Slides tutorials. So I'll click on that, and that is selected. The next step is to click on the schedule button because you have made a new change. Then it says your reel is scheduled to be published on this date. So I'll click on Done. And that's all. Everything was made simple. So if you consider this helpful, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you some other time.